Adding extra baggage to your Lufthansa flight is quite straightforward, and you can manage this directly through their website. There are two main situations to consider. If you are in the process of booking a new flight, as you proceed through the booking steps, you will encounter a clear option to add extra baggage. During this stage, you'll be prompted to indicate the desired weight for your additional baggage, and a corresponding fee will be applied. However, if you've already confirmed your flight and now realize you need to add more baggage, you'll want to head to the My Booking section to the Lufthansa website. Once there, you'll be asked to input your booking code and last name. Upon successfully submission, your booking details will be displayed, and within this section, you should find an option to modify your booking and include additional baggage. This, of course, will incur an extra charge. It's worth noticing that the booking page sometimes defaults to German. If this happens, simply look for a translation icon, often a small globe or a language section, to switch the page to English for easier navigation. This process allows you to seamlessly add the extra baggage you need for your journey